Got your iPhone passcode and now you're staring at an iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen? Don't panic. It happens more often than you might think. Today I'm going to be explaining what those messages mean, what not to do, and the safest way to get back into your iPhone if you can't remember your passcode. If you enjoy quick how-to videos, tech tips, and the latest in tech news, make sure to drop down below and hit that like and subscribe. Now, why is your iPhone locked out? First things first, it's not broken. Apple has designed it this way. It's a feature, not a flaw. This protects your personal information in the event that someone tries to guess your passcode, like if your phone was stolen. Every time the wrong passcode is entered, your iPhone makes you wait longer before you can try again. Eventually, after too many incorrect attempts, you'll see an iPhone unavailable or security lockout message. And at that point, the phone has to be erased before it can be used again. So here's my biggest piece of advice. Once those timeouts start showing up, stop guessing. Every incorrect attempt moves you one step closer to having to factory reset your phone. So, how do we get back in? Now, if you've honestly just forgotten the password and you can't remember it or passcode, there's no secret code or hidden trick that unlocks the phone, so be careful what you believe online. Instead, you'll need to use Apple's official recovery mode. You'll need a Mac or Windows computer along with a USB cable and your iPhone. Simply connect the powered off iPhone, so make sure it's off, to your computer, put it into recovery mode using the button combination for your specific model. You can find that online, and I'll have the information to go find that in the link below or in the description below. I'll have a link. Then choose Restore when prompted. The phone will erase itself, reinstall iOS, and you'll be able to set it up again. Now, what happens to your pictures and your contacts? Well, this is the question everyone asks. Nobody wants to lose anything, so what happens to all of your stuff? The reset itself completely erases the iPhone. However, if you've been backing up your phone to iCloud or to your computer, the good news is your photos, contacts, messages, and other application info, and all the information that you stored there can usually be restored during the setup process. Now, if nothing was backed up before the reset, unfortunately, there is no way to recover data that only existed on the phone once you wipe it. That's why we always recommend making sure to back up to iCloud or having some sort of a backup setup before you run into a situation like this. Now, one more thing. After restoring your iPhone, Apple will probably ask you to sign in with your Apple account before you can finish setting everything up. If you've forgotten your Apple account password, don't panic. Apple has official recovery tools that can help you recover your account and reset your password. I'll also include a link to those resources down in the description below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe below before you go. And if you'd rather have one of our technicians walk you through this process, give us a call here at My Computer Works. We'd be happy to help you safely regain access to your iPhone. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.